Why are Young Living essential oils so expensive? If you've ever wondered why some essential oils, especially those from Young Living, come with a higher price tag, you're not alone. Let's break down the reasons behind these costs. First, the type of plant and its rarity play a significant role. For example, essential oils like rose and sandalwood are derived from plants that are hard to grow and require specific conditions. Rose essential oil, in particular, is very valuable because it takes approximately 5,000 pounds of fresh rose petals to produce just 1 pint of oil. The extraction method is another crucial factor. While many essential oils are extracted using steam distillation, which is efficient and cost-effective, others require more complex and labor-intensive methods. For instance, rose and sandalwood oils often involve cold pressing or solvent extraction, which increases their cost. The yield of oil per plant is also important. Some plants produce a lot of oil, while others yield very little. Lavender, for example, requires about 250 pounds of flowers to produce 1 pound of essential oil, whereas rose petals need around 10,000 pounds to achieve the same amount. Quality and purity standards are stringent for high-end essential oils. These oils undergo several tests to ensure they meet strict quality standards, which adds to their cost. Organic certification is another factor. Organic essential oils are grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, and this process is more expensive due to the strict farming standards and certification process. Labor and harvesting techniques also impact the price. Essential oils can come from different parts of a plant, such as flowers, leaves, or roots, and the type of plant and the part of the plant used determines how labor-intensive the harvesting process is. For example, jasmine flowers are extremely delicate and must be hand-picked at night, making the process much more labor-intensive. Packaging and labeling expenses, as well as quality control and testing costs, are additional factors. Ensuring high-quality standards requires a significant budget for testing and compliance with safety regulations, which is reflected in the final price of the oil. Lastly, the sourcing and supply chain can affect the cost. Companies like Young Living often engage in direct relationships with growers to ensure ethical practices and favorable pricing, which can impact the overall cost of the essential oils. So, the next time you see the price of an essential oil from Young Living, remember that it's not just the oil itself, but the entire process from plant to bottle that contributes to its cost.